Hello friends, myself Samarth BM and welcome back to the second part of the stock data project. So in my previous video I had done the first 6 use cases and I have shown how you can run your stock data project on your local system. So in this video I will be deploying the same project to my AWS Ec2 instance. So for this you'll go to your user AWS account and you'll be creating an Ec2 instance. So right now I don't have any instance running, so I will launch an instance. So I'll be choosing Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. I'll be using the free tier itself. I'll not be making any changes to the instance and even the storage tags. Here in the configure security groups, you'll have to make some changes. In the type, you'll have to choose all traffic, and in the source, you'll have to choose anywhere. But I already have an existing security group that I have created, so I'll be using that one. So I already have this, and I'll be launching. So I have this Samarth EC2 key pair. I'll be using that itself. You can also create a new one if you want. So you can see it's pending. So before that, there are some necessary steps that you have to do in your project. To run this project on your EC2 instance, you will need all these necessary libraries required to be installed on EC2 instance. So first what you want to do is you will be creating a virtual environment for your project so that you can get the requirements of txt file. So to get this virtual environment, first you will have to install Python 3 venv, that is virtual environment. This is to install the Python 3 venv, and this is to create an environment with the name env. So you will be running this in your IDE. In my case this is VS Code, so I will be running this in my terminal. So after creating a virtual environment, to get the requirement of txt, you will be using the command pip freeze and symbol and requirement.txt. So I already have this file, so I will not be creating this one again. So I have this requirement.txt file. So let's check if my instance is running. So it's running. So you will be connecting to your EC2 instance. So there are many ways you can connect to the EC2 instance. So I have shown all the possible way in my previous EC2 videos. So I'll be copying this one. So I'll be going inside my download directory because that is where I have my key pair. I'll be pasting this link. So you can see my EC2 instance is created. So first we'll have to make some necessary install, like the first one is sudo apt get update and sudo apt get install python 3 pip. So pip is very necessary because you will be downloading all the libraries required using the pip itself. So again this may take some time, so let's wait until it's completed. So this is completed. So here I'll be creating a directory first. Get here stock data project. So you can see my stock data project directory is created. So now I'll be using Filezilla to transfer my files from local system to my EC2 instance. So for this, first you have to make sure that your key is connected to your Filezilla. So we can go to the edit settings and you will go to this SFTP add key file. So my key file is in my downloads, summer ec2.pem. Okay, so next we will go to file, site manager. So you will be copying your DNS address here. So you will be copying this one and you will be pasting it in your host and connect. So you can see my EC2 instance is connected to the Filezilla, and inside Ubuntu you can see the stock data project directory is also there. So now you will copy all the necessary files, that is from project from data engineer project file. I am copying my stock data model and I am copying my test data templates where I have my HTML file and the app.py file and requirement.txt file. So you can go to your stock data project directory to check whether you have received all the files or not. So you can see I have stock data model, I have text data, I have app.py and requirement.txt as well as templates. So now you have to install this requirements.txt. For that you will be using pip3 install -r requirements.txt. So all the necessary libraries that were present in the requirement.txt will be installed here, because these are required for your execution of the project. Make sure you have created a virtual environment for your project before fetching the requirement.txt file. So you may get some error and warning, just ignore them. Yeah, the installation is as well as done. So now other step that you have to do is you have to install default GRE. So for that you will be using the command sudo apt get install default.gre. So these installations depends on your internet speed as well. So it's done now. So you can run your project now. So I'll be going inside my stock data project and I'll be running my app.py, python 3 app.py. So yeah, my program is executed successfully. To check this on your browser, you will be copying this public DNS and you will be pasting it here, and also you will be mentioning your port number. So here my port number is 8080. So you can see this is similar web page and similar data visualization page that was executed in my local system as well. So this means that I have successfully deployed my project to my EC2 instance. so you can get data as well. So you can get the data as well here. So this is how you can deploy a project on your EC2 instance by using Filezilla. Thank you.